This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Darcy Guethlein. Just move in. All brick, 4-bedroom and 3 full baths with an enclosed heated and cooled sun porch. Completely renovated kitchen and 3 ceramic tiled baths. Hardwood floors throughout. Family room with fireplace. Replace double hung tilt windows, architectural roof shingles. Utility room, garage with sink. Backyard with oversized concrete patio, fruit trees. Play structures, new fencing and shed with lean-to. Side driveway to accommodate trailers. For more information, review the details below.